Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Taurus, Earth sign, your person current feelings and actions. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from June 21st to June 30th. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Taurus. Okay, let's see your person current feelings towards you. 4 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, Death. I think your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, or Scorpio. Could be. So I think your person is not expressive in their way. They are not expressing their feelings to you, and they are feeling independent, and they are now concentrating on their career. I think there's some transformation is going in your person's life right now. So let's see some clarification cards for these cards. So why is 4 of Pentacles is here? Knight of Wands, Ace of Swords, wow, 5 of Pentacles. Yes, I think there is separation between both of you for some. So that's why they are undergo some transformation. Some they want to communicate to you, some communication is coming in your way. Ace of Swords and the Knight of Wands. Yes, they want to come towards you. There is a lot of passion between both of you. For some there is separation, so they want to communicate, they want to express their feelings. In past they couldn't because 4 of Pentacles is here. So let's see their near future actions towards you. So your person near future actions towards you. Comparison, 5 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, 2 times 9 of Pentacles here. Participation, 4 of Wands. Yes, I think it is you stand by your power, or you feeling very independent. Not depend on your person, but your person is 5 of Swords. I think they are comparing the situations with past, present, but participation, they want this connection. 4 of Wands. I think you both could be twin flames, Taurus. Definitely your person want this connection. They want to communicate their feelings to you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Taurus. Wow, 2 of Cups, friendliness, success, 6 of Wands. Your person could be Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or it could be any sign. Adventure, Page of Pentacles. So last card, guilt. Yes, they are feeling guilt, stuck for what they did to you in past, but they want success with you. They want this connection because 2 of Cups here. Here friendliness means 2 of Cups. You both could be friends in first. Definitely they want this connection. They want to offer equal love. They want share love to you. You both sharing equal love between both of you because 2 of Cups is here. Definitely they want this connection, and some offer is coming to you because they want success with you. So in past you invest more in connection than your person, but your person want to offer equal give and take now this connection, in this connection. So definitely they will communicate to you. Definitely they want this connection. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.